Viper Auto Valet, down at the detailing barn, just outside Ipswich in Suffolk, working on the new Viper Auto Valet project car. It's a recent purchase of mine, 1986 Mercedes-Benz w126 500 SEL. I'm just going to do a quick tiny little video, hopefully it will work out, on what I use and how I clean alloy wheels. On this particular wheel I'm using Malco Brake Off. I find it a really good product, depending on the wheel obviously, but it really does work very well. I'll spray it on, and then in this instance agitate it in with a stiff bristled wheel dedicated brush, which is chemical resistant. When you've got a really dirty ingrained wheel, this is a really good brush to use. It really does do a good job. I'm not going to use a barrel brush on this wheel because literally there's nowhere for the barrel brush to really work properly. You can't see the inside of the barrel. Really the wheels would need to come off for that to be done properly. That's not something I'm prepared to do today. It's beginning to rain, well, still raining from earlier. So I just wanted to show you cleaning the wheel with this product, which really is good. Just agitate it in. There's other wheel cleaners I use. Bilberry is my main wheel cleaner, but it's not as aggressive as this product. This is an alkali based product, not acid. It's still pretty potent, so some caution is needed, but it's a bit more forgiving than acid, which I don't actually use any acids. Even this stuff, get it on the skin or an open cut, which I've got on my arm here, or get it in your eye, you know about it. I've had it in my eye, it's not pleasant. It does do a good job, really impressed with it, and it quite often leaves the wheel looking very shiny and silver. Let's see if we can get that to do this today. I'll have to try a bit more. It really foams up well, so it does a good job because it sticks to the wheel rather than just runs off. So it stays where it needs to, which I like. It might be a bit more of a costly product than the Bilberry or many other water-based products. This one is use it neat. I think you can dilute it, but I never do. I like to use it neat, which it does say that you can use it neat, so I prefer to do that. It does a better job. Get that worked in there. More difficult to use this product in the sun. Really have to think about what you're doing, maybe change your tactics for doing it in the sun. I've never had a problem. Sometimes it just takes a bit longer. You just have to change your methods. That's not a problem, you can do that. So I'll just get to the wash bucket, get the wash mitt on it. Do the front face and the edge, and get to the valve and work my way around from the valve. I think these are 15 hole, so quite intricate, awkward to do, but a bit time consuming, but it'll come up well. I want to work fast here, so the video is not too long. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to blast it off. that wheel off. Yeah, I think I've got all of that. What I haven't got today, I can get another day. Like I said, it is my own car and I intend to do a fair bit to it, so I've started already on the exterior and the engine bay, and there will be more I'm doing. So I'll just get the pressure washer and blast that off. Hopefully that came out okay and worked out fine, and you can see still a little bit in there maybe, but I can get there another time. Not too worried. I just wanted to give you a basic idea of what I use and how I do it. Slightly different on this car. I didn't do the tyre because I've seen the tyres and they've been cleaned a couple of times, not with all-purpose cleaner or brushes, and they are really heavily cracked, so they're going to be replaced anyway, so not too worried about those. But just wanted to show you how the wheel comes up with Malco Brake off. Good stuff. There we go. Bye Porto Valley. More videos to come.